We talk about how can you fix this problem, how you can do that on your Turbotax app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You just click on apps. You come to apps list and here you're looking for Turbotax app, or just click on search. Then here at Turbotax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to next step here and you click here on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking